hold, now lift fully. Do you understand? Good.
I get what you mean, like watch when you stop the so keep clear.
Yeah, good. Next one on the right please, Ellie. Can you see your gap on its way, yeah? There will be now, the lights have changed. Press the clutch back down. Go on the gas now, hold the bite, and it will go easily in second if you hold. Nice work. Pick your speed that's suitable for the space and the risk that you have. You've seen you were moved in, so no problem with that. It helped a little, didn't it?
Yeah.
Good. What about the taxi that's just, I was going to say the taxi that's just parked in on the left and it swings out. Cool. The taxi didn't have much thought and planning about that situation, did he? No? Had no room to fit through and we had no room to let him out our way. So in the end, at least he was sensible enough to rectify his own problem, yeah? Well done. It's a funny little situation, that one. It did well. Well done, all sorted. Second gear in, listen to it. This is 2, count as you pass. Gee whiz, blue one. See 4 and 5?
What do you think of this clip? Is this clip a lack of planning or a heightened sense of self-entitlement from the BMW driver? Planning all the way for me.
Need 2 in the new road to go over the flyover as well.
Yeah.
You laughing at?
The little kids went flying up the scooter.
The what?
The little kids went flying up the scooter.
Did he?
Yeah.
I didn't even see him. He was stuck behind this post, you evil get. Laughing at him. I'm just saving that one. Was it good, is it?
Yeah. So I just went and fell.
Can't believe you're laughing at him, you little get, you.
That was a great decision for the private hire to go through on amber because the one was so close behind. Look how close this private hire driver was to taking out this cyclist.
Should you change gear?
No.
No. Put it back in 2. Good. Bring that clutch back up and there to the bite. Good. So that's just into that habit of just changing there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What should we do with this guy? Can we help this guy?
Yeah, probably.
Absolutely. Good. Helped him go on his phone for a bit longer while he's driving.
Should I stay here and then...
That's very good. Yeah, great thought, Adam. Good man. Yeah, I can't believe he waved and thanked us with his phone in his hand.
Just remember, arriving there first doesn't give you priority.
Going through that? Wow.
Watch the silver car from the right jump the light really late.
Wow. Good save, Mercedes. Like it. And that's why you'd always check even going through a green light, peeps.
A couple of minutes further up the road, I was near the silver car again at a stopped set of lights.
Did you realise how red that light was that you jumped at the roundabout back there?
Wasn't red, was it?
Was. Just be careful, because ours were on green and you came through. It was. You're all right. You're okay.
It could just been on autopilot.
I know you do. No worries. Just look after yourself.
Thanks.
Right, one further up.
Yeah, so we'll stay.
Get yourself out. If the road's not wide enough to make 3 lanes, stay in lane 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, I'm just going to double park.
Well, there's an Aldi.
Because I can't be arsed walking.
Mm.
There you go. Where are you going?